Welcome. In front of me is a SHARP B10, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings, scroll all the way down till you find Other Settings, and from here you should see Storage Settings right here. And when you scroll down, you will see your SD card. Now it gives you basically some general information about it, how much of it is available and used. And then below you have also options of unmount and erase SD card. Now we're only interested in the last one, which is erase SD card. Once you tap on it, you'll get information that it will remove basically everything that is on the SD card that you have copied to it. And once you're comfortable, you can tap on erase and format. Wait for it to finish. And once it has finished, the card will be immediately ready to use again. So tap on done, and now the process is finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.